It's time of the season na naghanap kayo ng bagong something for your New Year's resolution. And this is probably one of the devices na would help you achieve that goal. Umayat, healthier lifestyle, and the rest is history. This is the Huawei GT4. Inantay ko dumating tong device na ito and tinest ko na masinsinan tong device na ito just to be able to give you a correct and accurate na review dito sa aking channel. So unbox muna natin quickly and let's get on with it. So this is the box ng Huawei GT4. It's very simple and very elegant, just like the same sa Huawei GT3 series. Ganito lang, no? Made out of soy ink. So this is recyclable material. So pag open mo, bubungan sa inyo agad yung watch itself. And it looks really nice. What I have here is the 46mm with a rubber black strap, which signifies the one that are a little bit more athletic. And there's other colors which I'll discuss a little bit later. So let's just take this one out. Okay, so kita natin the black strap. And the design is quite different from my Huawei GT3 series. So if you want to look, this is how it looks like, GT3 ko, and this is the GT4. Now, ang strap niya is almost the same naman sa GT3 series, except that there are some additional straps na bago, no, na gusto nating i-try, lalo na yung color green is pretty good. So, but I happen to buy the color black for the more athletic. Madalas ko kasi binababad sa tubig, like swimming, so I think this one should be the better option for me. There's some other stuff inside. We have a quick start guide and a wireless charger. So yung charging brick, hindi kasama. Just have to buy it separate. Mabilis lang siya mag-charge, so ano lang siya, no? Wireless. So kakabit mo lang siya, and there you go. Pwede ka na mag-charge. And what's even nice is that meron siyang quick charging. So meaning if you're charging from 10 to 100, normally I don't really drain this one. Normally, it takes me a little bit above 1 hour para matapos ang fast charging. And the best part dito sa watch na ito is that kaya niya magtagal ng more than 2 weeks. No? So I've been trying this one for 3 weeks na dito sa aking wrist. No? And I'm really happy with the result. The first run, it lasted me around mga 18 days. No? It went down as 2% no? Before ko chinarge siya. And it was, ang setting ko is naka-on ang sleep analysis. Yun lang. The rest is all naka-off, but yung notification naka-on. So it lasted me for 18 days. Way beyond sa experience ko sa Huawei GT3 series. Which is definitely a plus, no? Lalo when you travel a lot and hindi mo madalas dala ang charger mo, which is kahit maliit lang naman siya, kasi nakakataban natin, you forgot to charge this one. So, lalo na ako, maraming notification pumapasok. Lasting me for 18 days is quite something. Now, like I told you, itong watch na ito has several options na pwede mo pagpilian dahil it's more of fashionable itong GT4. It's all about fashion this time around. So we have the black rubber strap, which is for the more athletic people. We have the brown leather strap for more of the timeless design. We also have the green rainforest design, which signifies yung recyclable niya. No? This one is made out of 70% ocean recycled nylon and 30% recycled polyester. We also have yung gray color niya na integrated steel bracelet, which signifies yung luxury and professionalism. Medyo may kunting kabigatan din yung gray, no? Na-try natin yan on the Huawei na Experience Center. Well, yeah, it depends sa tao, no? May tao na gusto medyo a little bit heavy here. There are some people who, like me, who wants things a lot lighter. And meron din siya 41mm na pendant design para sa mga babae. We have the black rubber strap para sa mga sporty. We also have the white leather strap para sa elegance, and we also have the two-tone piano key bracelet na I think steel din to, no? For the timeless design philosophy. So for the first time, I would say na ang dami mong option sa GT series. So I've been following the Huawei GT series from GT1 all the way down to GT4. And for me, masasabi ko, si GT1, GT2, GT3, there are incremental na improvement. No? But si GT4 took the bigger leap dahil ang kanyang design, everything sa kanyang watch face and interface, everything has been polished. I like it kasi it's more streamlined, lalo sa mga people who does a lot of multitasking. Everything in just one single screen, which papakita ko sa inyo a little bit later, matutuwa talaga kayo. One of the things na papansinin mo dito sa kanya is yung kanyang design. Yung kanyang octagonal na dial design looks a lot more sleeker and a little bit more stand out as compared sa normal na bilog ni GT3 series. No? This one looks very normal, like any smartwatch na makita mo. But this one, pagkakamalan mo pa nga siya na analog instead na smartwatch, digital smartwatch. So, pag medyo malayo mo tingnan, which is a parang best of both worlds, if you ask me. Yung kanyang design has really taken an impact on me. Not that I'm overhyping this product, but it's really good based on my experience. Kasi na-try ko naman lahat ng series 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And I would really say that this one has taken the big leap compared dun sa tatlo. So I have here is my Huawei P60 Pro. And to add this one, si Huawei GT4 to this device is very easy. All you need to do is head on over sa Huawei Health app and just add your device. So, magsiscan lang siya. Makita mo dito, no? Huawei Watch GT4. Just click the link. Kukonect na silang dalawa. Then, magtatanong siya kung to connect or not to trust this device. Just trust it. Check. Pairing. And allow mo lang dito sa kanya, no? Sa kabilang side. Then, okay na. Connected na siya. Ganun kasimple. So, ito na yung interface ng GT4 dito sa loob ng Huawei na health app. So, you'll see your battery percentage, watch face, at dali lang mag-calibrate dito sa kanya, no? And you can search for a lot of watch face dito. There's some mga free, you can even carry over mga binili mo from the previous watch faces like me. And there's a lot of choices dito na pwede pagpilian. And what's nice din, sa GT4, there's a lot of better na watch face na pwede mong gamitin that looks a lot more realistic as compared sa mga GT3 pababa na series. Now, pagdating naman sa health monitoring, you can enable all of this. Then, pagdating naman sa pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, which is something that you might want to consider. So, this is something really new for me. As you can see dito sa screen, papakita na sa'yo, no, kung meron ka bang risk of premature beats, which means your irregular heartbeat. No? This is something na might save your life, no, if you turn it on, monitoring lang, wala namang mas mawawala sa'yo, it will notify you kung there's some abnormalities sa iyong heartbeat, which you can immediately send to your doctor para makita nila, no, there's something wrong with you, better check up ka na, and consult the expert na lang mga doctor to explain further on this one. Now, we also have itong sleep breathing awareness na pag pumasok ka dito, kailangan mo naka-turn on ang iyong sleep monitoring para makita mo yung result nitong sleep breathing analysis. So, makita mo dito sa akin, normal naman ang akin. There's no interruption in breathing detected, which is of course good for me. Of course, there are some people na nagsisnore, sometimes, no? Like ako, nagsisnore ako, aminado naman tayo. So, there's sometimes yung blockage sa airway mo, no? Which is dangerous. It might cause choking while you're sleeping. So, better i-turn on mo rin ito para ma-monitor mo, no? There's something wrong with you while you're sleeping. Kasi hindi mo na mamamalayan yan. And there's a lot more to play here, like gallery, find device, and weather reports. All you need to do is just visit itong app na ito, Huawei Health app, pair it with your GT4, and that's it. So right now, pag-usapan natin everything na pwede mo ma-discover dito sa watch na ito. So guys, taking a look dito sa kanyang watch face, you would see na it looks a lot more realistic, no, as compared dito sa Huawei Watch GT3 Pro na meron natin. No? So if you put on the same, almost the same na watch face, you would see na a lot more elegant kasi itong si GT 4. So, taking them side by side, pag tinignan mo, this one looks a little bit more analog looking. This one looks a lot more digital looking. And ang kanyang design is a lot different this time around. And ito, bilog na bilog. And this one looks a little bit more octagonal. So, giving it a little bit more texture than the normal circular watch. Now, kung gusto mo pala ng watch face, just hold lang and scroll lang left and right. Nakita mo, mas smoother ang experience yung transition niya. No? I would really tell that to you. Kasi I've been a user from 1 to 4. And yeah, by far, that's the best watch face that I can look for. So, swiping down, you see all of these settings na pwede natin makalikot, which is typically the same sa mga ibang Huawei watch na series. No? And if you swipe up, you see all of your notifications dito. Depende kung anong tinurn on mo, no? Messenger, WeChat, and everything. Lahat pwede mag-pop up dito once you need it. And if you swipe over to the right, nandito, pinagsama na na, no, ang weather tsaka ang music. So, unlike before, it's separate screen, no? For every single app, may sarili sa separate screen. This time around, it's more about multitasking. Okay? So, it's a lot more better for me. I'll swipe over to this side. Kita mo yung mga exercise wheel mo, which I think it's a little bit more accurate this time around kasi it's faster for me to hit my goal as compared sa mga other lower na GT series. So maybe yung sensitivity this time around is a little bit more sensitive na mas nakakapag-track siya na more accurately than before. Then you swipe it over to this one. This is one of my favorite slides, no? Kasi before it used to be for each app, sarili siya din na slide, no? So this time around, pinagsama nila stress monitoring, sleep analysis, blood oxygen level, and of course your heart rate, lahat nandito na. Pati temperature, yung itong clover, and of course yung breathing pattern. Lahat siniksik na niya in just one slide, no? So, this one, makita mo may events dito, no? And I was surprised last time, sayang di ko nga nakuha. Nung namumang Bonifacio Day from 30 to 27, nag-pop dito nung 27 na event, Bonifacio Day. And I was surprised na on the dot siya. Accurate siya, no? So, kung meron ka mga anniversary or something na nakasave sa yung calendar, magpa-pop din dito, which is okay for me. And of course, ang weather nandito, and it's really looking very nice for me. I honestly love this one, yung bagong improvement niya. And swiping over, these are all of the exercise na pwede mo gawin. And nandito ni yung stats mo for today, naka 1,600 steps na ako. Then, 4 hours na akong gising. Kung ilang calories burn ko and ilang minutes ako, medyo gumalaw-galaw. This one is something additional na lang, to moon analysis. Now, if you press this button, ito ang papasok kayo sa menu, no? So, it looks really nice. Lahat naka-jump on dito. You can select either you want this view or you want yung tile view, no? Depende sa inyo. Pwede mo i-set sa inyong Huawei Health app. So, if you scroll this one, lalaki, liliit, which is kind of cute. And of course, you want to check kung ano mga exercise na pwede mo dito. There's a lot of them for you to choose from. Swimming, skiing, wala naman skiing sa Pilipinas. So, if you go out of the country, maybe you might be able to use it. Meron pa siya mga triathlon and the stuff na you normally do as an athlete. So yun guys, nakita nyo na ang Huawei Watch GT4. It's very fashionable. This time around talagang nag-improve siya for me. Personally, I'm not overhyping. And it's really nice as compared sa aking lagi kong gamit-gamit na GT3 series. No? And it looks better kasi it's more fashionable. Pwede mong bitbitin anywhere, any occasion, be it formal attire or you just casual or just taking some active sports. Pwedeng-pwede si Huawei Watch GT4. And meron din mas ang mga trade-in program. You might want to ask yung mga Huawei na Experience Center para i-check nyo kung available pa ang trade-in for the Huawei GT4. If you have the GT3, GT2, GT1, pwede nyo i-trade in for this newer design, better improved, and better function na watch ni Huawei. So guys, kung natuwa kayo dito sa aking video, don't forget to share it to your friends para may matutunan silang bago about some smartwatches that might help them with their New Year's resolution. Any subscription to this channel would definitely be Merry Christmas. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.